It is 4th of July noon, so tomorrow is 4th of July Eve, and 2 days, or like next tomorrow is 4th of July day, so so I'm gonna try the butter croissant to see how it tastes, and I'm gonna try the Firework Frappuccino, so let's see how it tastes of the butter croissant from Starbucks. Looks soft and just crisp like Dunkin' Donuts croissants, but I had to try the butter croissant from Starbucks. It's really good. Very nice and looks to be a little sweet. It's gonna be awesome. So hopefully it tastes good more than Dunkin' Donuts. So this is gonna how much rate it is Starbucks butter croissant. So okay. Starbucks butter croissant rates 10 out of 10. So let's see how it tastes of the Firework Frappuccino. This is a limited time from June 30th to July the 6th, and it's gonna be very useful to have a limited time soda items of the drinks they have from Starbucks to go and get it one, because this is the last supplies to have last for the entire summer, everyone. So hopefully this week to have review to try the Firework Frappuccino. So let's see how it tastes. There's a little taste of the strawberries, how I imagined is going on. So it has strawberries inside of the Frappuccino, so it's cool to have the better aftertaste. So it's gonna be very opinion to try this drink for it's a limited time. So not so bad one, alright? Very hard, icy, crunchy texture to how it was, so it's not bad. Awesome, smoothly, and it's very creamy, delicious. But you know, I had to try the summer berry refresher and summer skies drink by next month and next 2 months. So hopefully I will try it before it's gone, and I'll review the summer berry lemonade refreshers from last year, guys. Firework Frappuccino gets 9.8 out of 10. So comment, give it a like, and thumbs up for more videos. So see you later, everyone. See you tomorrow or Friday.